How to do an active carbon filter change on the WALCOM TD3 PRO. This is the warning light saying that it needs to be changed, and you can see the active carbon filter icon here saying that there's no days left. So now it's time to change this filter system. In the WALCOM service kit for the TD3 PRO, you get two active charcoal carbon filters. You get a water filter and a coalescing filter. You also get a bag of silica beads. The only thing that you need to be changing twice a year are the active charcoal carbon filters. That's why you've got two of those. The rest of this is done as a yearly service. Right, so I've reset the filter now, it's at 182. But to understand this a little bit better, it's quite complicated. First of all, you have to press the menu and the SRS, and that resets the alarm. Then if you press menu, you go into filter, press OK, then go into substituzione, which is basically changing the filter, press OK. Then in here you need to put the code for the actual filter you're changing, which on this one it's 621. And the way you do that is you use these little buttons on the side there. So you go 6 and then press that button down, moves on to the next one. Again, click 2 1. Press OK, takes you back, press OK again, and now you can press menu to go back to the beginning, resets it, and the filter's good to go. So I've got 182 days left on the active charcoal carbon and 178 on these two, because I haven't changed them. I should have changed that one about 4 days ago, but I didn't get around to it.